Hello everyone, welcome back once again. So here's a question which states BOF is a diameter of a circle whose center is O. AFE and CDE are straight lines. Then find the value of X and Y. So if you want to solve this question, you can pause the video and try to do it yourself. And if you want to see how to solve it, then let's go. So this is the diameter of the circle. So this angle will be 90 degree because this is in the semicircle. So angle BCF is equal to 90 degree. Now in triangle BCF, angle FBC is 46 degree. BCF is 90 degree. Angle BFC we have to find out. So angle BFC will be equal to 180 minus 90 minus 46 by angle sum property. So angle BFC will be equal to 44 degree. So this angle is 44 degrees now. Now angle ABF is equal to angle ACF, that is 32 degree, because both angles are on the same chord, that is AF. So this angle which is ABF will be equal to ACF. So this is 32 degrees. Now in triangle CO'F, let us consider this point O dash. So CO'F. In this triangle, angle CO'F will be equal to 180 minus 44 minus 32 degrees by angle sum property. So angle CO'F will be 104 degree. So this angle is 104 degrees now. Now AO'C, this is a straight line. So y will be 180 minus 104, that is 76 degree, because this is 104. So y will be 180 minus 104. Now let us join FD. Now this angle is angle at the center and this angle is angle at the circumference on the same chord FD. And we also know that angle at the circumference is half of the angle at the center. So angle FCD will be equal to half of FOD, that is 48 degree, which will give 24 degrees. So this angle is 24 degrees. Now let us take this triangle. So in this triangle, this is an exterior angle which is equal to the sum of interior opposite angle, which are 24 and 53. So angle AFC is equal to 24 plus 53. That is angle AFC is 77 degrees. So this angle is 77 degrees. Now ABCF is a cyclic quadrilateral and sum of opposite angle in cyclic quadrilateral is 180 degree. So angle ABC plus angle AFC will be equal to 180 degrees. Now ABC is sum of X, 32 and 46. So X plus 32 plus 46 degrees, and AFC is 77 degrees, which is equal to 180 degrees, which will give X plus 155 is equal to 180 degrees, or X is equal to 25 degrees. So the answer is Y is equal to 76 degree and X is equal to 25 degrees. So I hope it was very easy to understand and you enjoyed watching the video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. If you have any doubt, please write it into the comment section. Thanks for watching.